Good evening everyone. This is Vrushali. In my previous sessions we discussed about all this practical like practical based on searching and sorting, infix to postfix and prefix conversion, circular queue, binary search tree, then heap sort and practical which is based on threaded binary tree. I have attached link of all those practical videos in below description box. Previously we also discussed about complete playlist of FDS as well as DSA subject. I have mentioned complete playlist in below description box. Now in today's session we will discuss about the next important practical, that is practical number 10, which is based on file handling. The aim of this practical mentioned in your syllabus is, see here, department maintain the student database, means you have to create a student database. Now this student file contain a roll number, name, division and address. Now you need to write a program which create a sequential file and store and maintain the student data. If should allow the user to add delete information of student, means you need to perform add and delete operation on this file. Now you need to display all the information of particular student. Now the next is, if record of student does not exist, then it also display appropriate message, and if student record found, it should display student details. So this is the aim of your practical. Basically, you have to create a one file or one database, student database. You have to store roll number, name, division of that particular student records. You have to perform add delete operations on it and display records appropriately as per the student. So this is the aim of your practical. So let's start the program. Now, program always start with the header files. This is a file handling program. That's why we have imported these four files. These four files are important. The first one is iostream.h header files, which include all the input output like cout, scene. These all types of built-in functions or variables have stored from this file. The next one is hash include have stream.h, means all the file related operation, means file open, close, read, write. These all operations have imported from this file. The next one is cstring.h, means all the string and array related operations have imported from this file. And next one is iomanip.h. So this header file we use because all the flag related information and output handling, this all possible because of this header file. So we have imported these four header files in our program. The next is global variable, that is constant integer max 20, means whatever the information you have entered in your file like name, address, then a division, so they have the maximum 20 characters. Okay, so that's why we integer maximum 20, means all character or integer type of data you have to enter maximum 20 numbers here. This is the size. Clear? Now next. Now in our program we use two class. The first class is student and second class is file operation. In first class we have to store all the student related information, and in second class file operation we have to store all the file related operation. Okay. Now the first class student, we have to declare one class. In this class there is a variable declaration like integer roll number, character name and city. See here, maximum 20 characters you have to mention. Next, character division and integer year. So this is a variable declaration part. Now the next one is constructor. See, here we have to store the information in particular file, right? So we have to use a constructor. Constructor generally used for initialization purpose, means you can repeatedly store the information. First you enter the roll number 10 and their details. Next time you enter the roll number 11 and their student details. So you recursively stored the information into the file. That's why we use constructor here for initialization purpose. The constructor name and your class name is always be a same. This is a condition. Okay. Now first we declare here student. This is a constructor, that is default constructor, and we pass three things here. See here, string copy name and null, that is blank initialization, and string copy city and blank initialization, roll number, year, division is equal to 0. Why it mentioned here? See, as I said previously, you need to enter recursive information. Means first time you enter the name, suppose Neha. Second time you enter the name Rahul. Means you recursively enter the information. Means this variable stored multiple information one by one way. That's why we declared here in this way. And this roll number, year, these are the particular thing, that why unique thing. So it mentioned the 0, that is integer type. Clear? So this is the first default constructor. Clear? Now second we declare parameterized constructor. Why? See, we stored information in our file in tabular format, right? Means for example, there is a name column, and under that name column only name, particular name will be stored, right? So that's why we use here parameterized constructor. See, parameterized constructor, the constructor name same as a class name, that is student. Here we pass the parameters as per our variable declaration: integer roll number, character name, integer year, character division, character city. And here we use this pointer. I think you all study this pointer or constructor in your theoretical lectures. So this pointer generally you to point a particular variable where actual data have stored. Okay. See here, string copy means whatever the name, first name is suppose Rahul, this name have stored into the particular name variable only in particular place in particular file. That's why we use here this pointer. Means they assign user wanted specific value to each variable. Okay, this all information entered by the user. Clear? That's why we use here. So this dot roll number equal to roll number means exact roll number stored into the roll number column only. Clear? So this is a parameterized constructor. So what we discuss here, first header files, next variable declaration, that is class student, and they have the two constructor. One is default constructor for recursively enter data, and next parameterized constructor means whatever the user entered data into the particular variable, so that enters specifically into same variable in same file. Clear? Now next. So this is the first beginning part. Now we move to main file. Okay. Program always start with the main function, right? This is an integer main function. Now first thing is you need to create one file. Means whatever the information you user want to enter, this stored into the particular file, right? So this is your database. So for that purpose we use here offstream. This is a class, and new file, this is a method of that class. And this offstream, this class have imported from this fstream header file. Clear? Now our file name is student.dat. This is the extension. And next is iOS equal to app or iOS binary. This two meaning is whatever the information have stored into the binary format into the particular file. And iOS app means you need to enter the information sequentially. Means they point the location of that particular information. For example, suppose first you enter the record roll number 1. Now the pointer points to one roll number. Next time you need to enter the roll number 2. Now pointer points to next location in this way. That's why we need to pass these three parameters: file name and iOS app and binary. Next, after the file operation, your file will be closed. New file dot close. Clear? Now next thing is, here just focused on this particular part. File operations file. We already declare one class previously. First we discuss this thing. File operation, this is your class, and file is a method. So you have to create this file. You need to perform operation on this file. This is the syntax. Okay. In this file, you need to create this kind of columns we said. Okay. Integer roll number, year, character division, character name, address. Okay. And choice means whatever the your operation have performed, that is choice equal to 0. Okay. So in this particular file, these columns have created. Clear? Now we discuss what is file operations file first. Okay. So after student class, we discussed previously student class here, right? See here. This is a student class and there are two constructor. Now just focused here. This is a file operation class. Okay. Class file operation. This is a file operation class. Fstream file means whatever the you file you have created like student.dat. This file indicated by the fstream file. Okay. Now next, here we also create one constructor, that is parameterized constructor, file operations and file name. Constructor and class name is always same. Okay. And now under that constructor you need to mention this thing, file.open. See, you can execute this program multiple times, right? That's why this constructor is created. Means first you enter 10 records and delete those 10 records. After that you again open the file and enter 15 records. Means recursively you can perform the operations, right? That's why this constructor have created here for initialization purpose. Now the next thing is this. In this constructor you have to declare the method file open. You create a file in main function. Okay. Now you can open the file in this class file operations. So file dot open. So here you have to pass these parameters. First file name, next iOS in means you perform read operations in file. iOS out means you perform write operations also in file. iOS ATE, it means that there is a pointer in file. They provide the location for every record. Okay. And iOS binary means every information stored into the binary file because that is .dat extension. Clear? These 5 parameters you need to pass when file is open. Clear? Okay. Now the next thing. So we discuss this thing. You create a file. Now you open the file. That is file operation file. They call the particular class. Okay. And under that file, these columns have created. Clear? Right. Now next. Now you need to insert the record in file. Okay. So there are total this particular message will be displayed when you execute a program. This message will be displayed. First student database, this is a heading. Now the add new record, display all record, display by roll number, deleting record and exit. So next one is choose your choice. You need to choose your choice. Either you need to choose 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Clear? And whatever your choice, which is read by C in. C out is used for displaying message, print the message, and C in for reading the data. Means your choice is suppose 1 to add new record. This one enter into this choice variable. Clear? So I'm just executing the program. See here. Right? See, this message will be displayed here. Student database and this 5 operations and choose your choice. So you need to enter here what is your choice according these operations. Clear? Now next. Now there are total 5 cases. See here. Suppose your choice is 1. That is case 1. Okay. So this case it related to the inserting new record. Add new records into the file. Okay. So first when you select the choice 1, they give the message see out, enter the roll number and name, and whatever the user enter roll number and name which is read by scene. Next enter year and division which is read by scene year and division. Next see out enter the address which is read by C in address this variable. And after entering all this information, okay, roll number, name, year, division, address, they call insert record function. Okay, we declare insert record function after the main function. Okay, so file dot insert record and we pass all the variable as a parameters, and after inserting record it display the message record inserted. Okay, now just move to this function file dot insert record. So in case 1 they call insert record function. See here. Okay. See here. This is a insert record function. This is a very easy program where suppose if you remember as per the logic. So see here. This is the insert record function. Void insert record and they pass the parameters like integer roll number, character name, integer year, character division, character city. Okay. Now here we create a one student object. Student is a class, S1 is a object of class. Okay. So student S1, and in this student class we have to enter this information like student roll number, name, year, division and city. So this is a basically column names. Okay. Next file dot sppu and iOS in. It means that whatever the information you entered, what is the use of seekp function? They seek the pointer. Means you enter first record, now pointer points to the second location. You enter second record, pointer points to the third location. Now you enter third record and that is end. Means pointer points to the end of the file, right? That's why iOS end. Means pointer points at the end of the file and this information have inserted. Next file dot write means whatever the inserted information user enter like name, roll number, which is written by using file dot write, this method. Okay, this method is used for return the records in file. We pass this parameter like means character types of information. S1 is the object and size of student, means the particular information that's stored in student class that will be entered. And at the end, file dot clear, means this insert function have completed, right? So this is a insert record. Now just see here, I'm executing the program. Okay, so our choose your choice. Our choice is add new record. So just step 1, that is choice 1. Now enter the roll number and name. Suppose my roll number is 10 and suppose my name is Neha. Okay, enter the year. Enter the year means admission year. Suppose admission year is 2018 and division is A. Okay, enter the address. Suppose address is Pune. See, record inserted. Now you need to insert another second record. Okay, so just enter the choice 1 again. Enter the roll number. Suppose roll number is 11 and name is Rahul. Okay, enter the year. Admission year is 2019. Suppose division suppose B. Enter the address Pune. Okay, means you need to enter two record here. Clear? So this is just a insert record function. Okay, now next. So this is a case 1. Okay, now we discuss case 1 insert record. Now move to next case. So we discuss case 2 and case 3 simultaneously. Our case 2 is display all records into the file, and case 3 is display a particular record as per the roll number. Suppose user want to display only roll number 10 record, so it display only roll number 10 record and their details. Okay, but case 2 display all the records. See here, case 2 cout end L. So this is a method, means in roll number column, roll number is stored in tabular form. Name column, name is stored. That's why we use here set W, means set width to the particular information or data. Okay, so cout set width roll number, set width name, set width year, set width division, and next set width city. So you need to set width for each and every characters name. Okay, means 5-digit roll number is there, 20 character name is there, again 5-digit year is there, in this way. Clear? And file dot display all. Now they call display all function. Okay, and next case 3 is you need to enter the roll number. Suppose user enter roll number 10. So this 10 have stored into this roll number variable, and now they call file dot display record and pass the parameter roll number. Okay, means it case 2 they display all the records, in case 3 they display records as per the particular roll number. Clear? Means there are two functions, one is display all and second one is display record. Now see here, where is this function? Right, see here. First we declare insert record function. This is our insert record function. And after that we declare display all and display record. Okay, see here. The first one is void display all. This is a function. First declare student class and the object is S1, because we use object for performing the operation. Okay. Next, file dot g 0 iOS beginning. What is the meaning of this line? See, you need to display the records. So it display the record from the starting of the file. The starting of the file, suppose roll number 1. So it display 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever the records have stored, it display all the records. So starting always from the beginning, right? That's why it passed the parameter iOS beginning. Now the next thing is it read all the records into the particular file. Okay, and it display all the records as per the display all method. But they display by using a particular record like s1 dot display record. So they call this function, this is another third function, that is display record as per the case 3. Okay, see here, void display record, and you need to display record as per the roll number. Okay, only roll number, not all records have display. Student s1 class and object, Again, you need to display record from the beginning file.sigg. Sigg means pointer points to beginning location. Next, they read character by character data from the file, means record by record. Next, the condition is if s1 dot get roll number is exactly equal to roll number. Suppose in your file you inserted the record roll number 10 and user want to display roll number 10 record. Okay, so they pass roll number 10. So get roll number is 10. So 10 is exactly matched with the 10 roll number which is stored in your file. Okay, and they display the particular records of that roll number. Clear? And here flag equal to true means this condition is match. Okay, otherwise suppose in your file user want to enter roll number 5, but this 5 roll number is not stored into the file. Now at that time flag is false. Okay, and it display the message record 5 is not present. Clear? So this is a work of display and display all records. So display all, they display all the records from beginning, and next one is display record means they display record as per the roll number. For that purpose this condition is important. Okay, so just see here. Okay, I have already executed program here. See, we entered the two record roll number 10 and roll number 11, right? Now our choice is two choices display all records. So enter the choice 2. See this, okay, one record I have already entered previously. So there are total 3 records now, 4, 10 and 11. Okay, now display by roll number, this is a choice 3. Okay, now enter choice 3. Now enter the roll number, which roll number records you want to display. Suppose roll number 10. So enter the roll number. See here, it display only roll number 10 record. Okay, this is a display record method. As per the user roll number, they match this roll number is present in your file or not. Clear? And this is a display all method. It display all the records in your file. Clear? Next. Now this is a case 2 and case 3. Okay, and at the end the last case is case 4, that is delete the record. So you want to delete the record. For that purpose first you need to enter the roll number. Suppose you need to delete the record of roll number 10. So enter 10, so which is read by scene, that is scene 10 roll number equal to 10, and they call delete record method file dot delete record roll number. So this function will be called. So just see here. Right, so this is a delete record function. Okay, see, first there is a insert record, after that display all, after that display record function, and now this is a delete record function. Okay, see, void delete record as per the roll number, integer roll number. Next, off stream out file means first you need to open the file whether you want to delete the record. Okay, so I'm tell you what is new that here. So first you need to just understand, first open the file, which file you need to delete the record. Now file.sigg iOS beginning means move pointer from the first record. Pointer points to the first record which you want to delete. Now they read all the records into the file, that is while file.read character by character they read the records as per the size of student. Size of student means in your student class or in your student file suppose 6 records have stored. So they read all the 6 records. Okay, and first same condition is here. Suppose user want to delete roll number 10 records. So roll number get roll number equal to 10. Okay, and this 10 is exactly match with the 10 roll number that stored into your file. Okay, means 10 exactly equal to 10, condition true. That's why flag equal to true. Okay, and this particular records will be deleted now. Okay, but this condition is not match. Suppose user enter roll number 5, that is get roll number equal to 5, and this 5 is not present in your file. So this condition is false, right? This condition is false, flag equal to false. So at that time they display record 5 is not present. Clear? See, just execute the program again. Okay, we already executed here. So our choice is 4, that is deleting record. Okay, 4. Enter the roll number. Which record you need to delete? Suppose I need to delete roll number 4. Okay, So enter roll number 4. So this record will be deleted. Okay. Now again see display all records means choice 2. See, just a second. Okay. Okay, means roll number 4 is deleted. Now remaining is only these two records having remaining. Okay. So this is a particular thing. Now the next. At the end, the case 5 is break. Break means exit or file close. So for that purpose, after deleting record, you enter file dot close. This is important. Suppose you open the file, then you need to or you must close the file. So file dot close, your out file dot close means you use outstream method for opening the file. So out file dot close. Now see, first you need to create student.dat. This file, this is your original file. When you execute the program, this file created in background mode. See here. Okay, wait a minute. See, this file created here, student.dat, means when you execute a program, this file created in background, right? So you need to close, means after close, they remove this file also. Okay. And next thing, here we use new.dat file for deleting record purpose. Student.dat, this is your original file. We just rename those file in new.dat. Means original information still stored into this file. And whatever the information have deleted, that will be deleted from new.dat file. Means it created just duplicate records of that particular file, right? That's why in delete record we use another file. So the next thing, okay. So this is the last case, case 5 and break. So this is a complete program of sequential file. Means we stored all the data sequentially in our program, right? So first header files, next variable declaration and class student. Now there are two constructor, default constructor and parameterized constructor for initialization or recursively initialization. Now here we use again we use get roll number method, means whatever the user enter the roll number, that will be get roll number, and display record method. Then file operation, we create a file here, we open the file in this file operation class. Okay, we create a separate class for file. Now insert record, display all, and display record, this method is there, and delete record, this function is there. Okay, and at the end file will be closed. Now this is a main function for basic details purpose. Clear? And this is a output of that particular file. So you should understand this program, understand the logic of program, right? So thank you, all the best.